good morning. I am Kavya teacher and today I am teaching 6th standard science first lesson, that is food. Where does it come from? So in your previous classes, that is in your 5th standard and all, you have studied about the food. What are the different nutrients that is contained in the different kinds of food and what are the functions of those nutrients and all. And in this lesson, we are going to study the little bit more about the nutrients and all. Now, in your, for example, we'll take one small example now, small activity work. In your mom, what if your mother, she prepares every day same kind of food? In your home, you are eating every day you are eating same kind of food. That is, every day your mother, she is preparing rice only, or every day your mother, she is preparing chapati only? No, of course. So in all your homes, your mom, she prepares different kinds of food so that you taste very this man. So now, for example, if today she makes chapatis, tomorrow she makes rice, day after tomorrow some other kind of food. So what happens if we are going to if you are eating same kind of food every day? So no. First thing is, we do not like eating same kind of food. You people feel bad or no to eat the same kind of food every day. So ultimately next day only you say to your mom, mom, don't prepare every day same kind of food. So that's, and one more thing, what happens by eating same kind of food is, so your body, it will not get the all nutrients. By eating the same kind of food every day, your body, it will not get all nutrients. Of course, nutrients, you know, different kinds of nutrients, you have studied it in your 5th standard. Those are carbohydrates, vitamins, fats, minerals, so on. Now, so different kinds of food, they contain different kinds of nutrients. For example, if rice, it contains carbohydrates, it gives energy to our body, and all the fruits. So in even our food, it contains all kinds of rice, and then chapatis and vegetables and all. So if this rice, it gives a carbohydrates, and the vegetables and fruits, they give vitamins and minerals. So vitamins and minerals, they are called as the protective food. So since they protect our body from getting many diseases, so they are called as protective foods. So they are needed to our body in a very minute quantity. Even then, so these vitamins and minerals, they are very important to our body. Then fats. So fats are also very important to our body. Fats, starch and all. Now, ingredients. So maybe you are feeling this one a new word. Ingredients means, so for example, if you are in your home, you are getting many prepared, so already prepared this one packets and all. Okay, for example, buns packet, breads packet, or biscuit packets. So have you observed anything written in that packet? So many of you are observed expiry date, manufacture date. Along with that, what is one more thing written in the packs? Ingredients. You might have observed. If not, so today just go to your kitchen and take some pockets and observe. So there you will observe in word ingredients. So here ingredients means the different kinds of things used in the preparation of that particular food. For example, we'll take a small activity work now. So all of you know, maybe in this lockdown, all of you might have learned how to prepare a coffee and tea and all. So now let us take the preparation of coffee or tea. So now, while making the tea, what are the ingredients you are making in order to make the tea? So here, first of all, you are using water. It's essential. Next, then tea powder we are using, that milk we are using, and sugar you are using. So these are all the ingredients for the preparation of this tea. So now I hope you understood the meaning of ingredients. Ingredients are nothing but the things which are used in the manufacture, or in the manufacture or preparation of the particular kind of food. Now you go to your kitchen today or ask your mom every day, what are the foods she is preparing? So what are the ingredients she is using in order to prepare those food items? So at least minimum 5 food items you take and write the ingredients of that particular food. This is an activity work for you today. Next, sprouted seeds. So sprouted seeds, they give very too much of proteins to, they provide proteins to our body. So very healthy food, sprouted seeds. What do you mean by sprouted seeds? So sprouted seeds are nothing but in Kannada we call it as a molake vadidid kaalu anta heltivalla. So they are nothing but sprouted seeds. Now you can prepare in your home. Your mother, she makes sprouted seeds and makes palya and all, isn't it? Now take some moong dal. Moong dal means you call it as hesar kalu. Can you see here green color dals? So they are nothing but moong dal. Take some moong dal. So soak it in a water. Soak it in the water overnight. So next day take the moong dals out from the water and keep it aside in a bowl. So immediately after next day you can observe a small outgrowth coming outside from that seeds. So white color outgrowth you can see. So there we also call it as a germination. So seeds, since they get favorable conditions like proper amount of temperature and what moisturous condition, they start germinating. So there is nothing but the sprout. We call them as a sprouted seeds. They are very healthy for our very healthy food. Now we are eating different kinds of food in our home. We know. Now do you know what are the sources of those foods? So some foods they come from the animals and some foods items they come from the plants. Now all vegetables, fruits, they all come from the plants. They are called as plant sources. Now egg, meat and even milk, so they are all the animal sources. So they are the sources of the food. Now honey, you might have heard the word honey. So you are eating. What is the source of honey? So honey is prepared in the honey bee. So honey bees, they prepare the honey. So it's also animal source. Now we'll see what do the animals eat. In last year 5th standard and even 4th standard also we have studied different kinds of words related to the animals food behavior. So that is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Now let us study the what it mean by herbivores. The herbivore word itself shows the meaning of that word herb. The word herb is related to the small plants. So herbivores means here the plants, the animals which eat only plants and plant sources, they are called as herbivorous animals. Next, some animals they eat only flesh and meat. For example, tiger, lion, cheetah. These are all animals. They hunt other smaller animals and they eat those flesh of those animals. So those animals they are called as carnivorous animals. And then omnivorous animals. Omni here means double or two. Omnivorous means the animals which eat food from the sources of plants as well as animal sources food. So such animals they are called as omnivorous animals. In simple words, the animals which eat both plants as well as animals. So they are called as omnivorous animals. So hope I understood these words. Herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Now